Do you have a passion for interior design? If so, how would you feel if I told you that you could take that passion to the next level and even make money from doing what you love? Here at the Design Academy, we specialise in training adult learners to become professional designers entirely by e-learning. Online learning is becoming the most popular way that we learn today because you can study at your own time and your own pace. Our video tutorials are there for you whenever you are, whether that's 2 in the afternoon or 2 in the morning. You'll receive one-to-one support from your personal tutor who's an active practicing designer, and you can connect with students from all over the world. Plus, online learning is so much more affordable than the traditional colleges or universities because we're able to use technology to deliver the same great lessons to thousands of students at a time. In fact, you can start one of our professional interior design courses today for the cost of a night out. And our Introduction to Interior Design course is an unbelievable £97 or $147. But if the prices are this great, how good is the quality of these courses? Actually, the results people achieve on our courses are fantastic. You will not find better results from any other online college or university. Firstly, all our professional courses are internationally recognised with university credit values that will travel with you wherever you go in the world. Secondly, and even more importantly if you want to work in the design industry, is the amazing portfolio of work that you will have by the time you have successfully completed one of our professional interior design courses. There is no other online college that consistently produces such high quality results, but you don't have to take our word for it. The prospectus contains a number of student portfolios for you to look at, and when you subscribe to our prospectus, we'll even send you more inspiring examples to look at over the next few weeks. I challenge you not to be inspired and excited about what you can achieve. In fact, we're so confident in our teaching methods, we even guarantee what you will learn when you complete one of our courses. Another fantastic benefit of our courses is that they've been designed using our unique building block structure. So if you get the bug to go further, you can simply continue on to the next level, progressing naturally and building your qualifications right up to a BA degree level. By enrolling on our Introduction to Interior Design course today, you could be taking that first step towards an interior design degree. What's more, you don't need any previous experience or qualifications to enroll. All of our courses are jam-packed with information, and the best way to discover what we have to offer you is through our prospectus, which is not like any other prospectus you're likely to come across. Our online prospectus contains a number of informative and inspiring videos that will actually show you what you'll learn on each of our courses and how much time it will take. You'll see clearly the university credit values of each course and the accreditation. We'll show you examples of students' work and what you can expect to achieve. And of course, you'll find full details of all the course fees and payment plans. Interior design is a creative and dynamic subject, so learning about it should be too. That starts right now. Simply request access to our prospectus and we'll immediately send you an email with the link. The prospectus is packed full of information, so you'll want to set aside a little bit of time to enjoy it and allow yourself to be inspired. But if you're not in a hurry right now, let me tell you just a little bit more about how our courses work. Traditional classrooms haven't changed all that much over the years, and the biggest difference about e-learning is that it shifts the focus from the tutor to you, the adult learner. When you enroll, you get access to our membership website. It's full of resources, but carefully organised so you won't be overwhelmed and you can navigate through it intuitively. It's available whenever you are and you'll never miss a class or lecture. Each lesson includes a number of video tutorials that you can watch as often as you like, and you can fast forward or rewind if you miss something. You can't do that in a classroom. You can even download the videos to watch them offline. Why not watch them while you're relaxing in the garden, or put them on your phone so they'll be there for you whenever you have a few minutes to spare. We also provide PDF lessons which you can view online or print. The content's easy to understand and visually pleasing. Each lesson has a learning assignment, so you can immediately put into practice what's been covered in the lesson. These are written in plain English with clear descriptions of what you need to do, and will give you clear examples to point you in the right direction. Once you complete an assignment, you'll upload it onto our secure server, which is password protected so you'll never lose your work. You'll be assigned a personal tutor when you enroll, a practicing interior designer who knows what it takes to succeed in today's interior design industry. They'll give you personalised feedback on every assignment, so you can grow and develop as you progress throughout the course and achieve your best potential. This is undoubtedly one of the biggest reasons why our students achieve such great results. What if you need help? You'll receive the contact details of your personal tutor when you enroll, so you can get in touch with them directly whenever you need to. We also have a full-time student support team, so you can email them or simply pick up the phone whenever you have a question. And you can connect with students from all over the world to share ideas, resources and inspiration. Our online courses give you the opportunity to get a university-level education at an affordable price without leaving your existing job and with maximum flexibility. You can study anywhere and at your own pace. Most of the people who enroll on our courses are looking for a change of career, but many simply want to feed their passion for interior design by learning as much as they can. We offer 3 fantastic interior design courses. Our Introduction to Interior Design course is ideal for anyone who wants to learn how to achieve their dream home. In just 6 weeks, you'll learn how to create a home that feels comfortable yet also looks stylish and luxurious, whatever your circumstances or budget. This course was created specifically for homeowners and interior design enthusiasts, and for many, it's also the first step towards a career in interior design. Our HNC in Interior Design and Decoration, which stands for the Higher National Certificate, is a valuable qualification that's also equivalent to the first year of a full BA Honours in Interior Design. This course prepares you for a career in the interior design industry by teaching you how to plan spaces and select all the decorative elements of an interior. You'll also learn how to communicate your ideas professionally with scale drawings, concept boards and specifications. Our HND in Interior Design and Interior Architecture, which stands for Higher National Diploma, is equivalent to a foundation degree or an associate degree, and it teaches the additional skills needed to really excel in this industry. Obviously, you'll learn how to design beautiful interiors, but you'll also learn the fundamentals of building construction, so you can remodel and renovate interiors, and you'll learn how to design and integrate building services such as lighting, heating and plumbing. Plus, we'll teach you important practical skills like budget and project management, so you can complete your clients' projects on time and within budget. Finally, if you'd like to achieve a full BA Honours in Interior Design, then our HND course is part of a BA pathway, which means you can achieve a full BA Honours in Interior Design with just 1 year of additional study. We have existing agreements in place with educational partners so that our HND graduates can go straight on to the final year of a BA program and use it as a top-up course. This can also be done completely online. And the best thing is that you can start today on the HND and take your first step towards a BA with no previous experience or qualifications. That's practically unheard of for courses at this level. And because our qualifications are internationally recognised, you can join a number of professional interior design associations. Academic accreditation is vital if you want your qualification to be recognised, but it's still just a starting point. What really sets us apart from any other online college or university are the results that people achieve on our courses. Practical skills, knowledge, and an amazing portfolio that will enable you to hit the ground running and secure work immediately. You'll see examples of some of our student portfolios in the prospectus, and we recommend you really set aside a minimum of 15 to 20 minutes to go through it. They say time flies when you're having fun, so please do give yourself the time to get inspired and really enjoy it over a cup of coffee. Also, if you're on a mobile device right now, you should ideally wait until you have access to a full-size computer screen. Design is visual, so you want to make sure you get the full picture and don't miss anything. Once you request access, we'll immediately email you with a link to the prospectus, and it will be in your inbox ready when you are. We promise never to share your information with anyone, and we'll only send you emails that are informative and inspiring. We've a lot to share with you, and you are going to love it. There's a link in each email so you can easily unsubscribe if you want to, but most people love our emails. As Albert Einstein said, creativity is contagious. By the way, my name is Maria Flynn and I'm the founder and principal of the Design Academy. I've been a practicing designer since the early 1990s and my work has been featured in the media. I'm also a published author, I'm passionate about design and about lifelong learning, and the courses I've created have trained thousands of people to become professional designers to date. I didn't become a designer myself until after I had married and bought my first home. Once I made that decision, I had a number of challenges to deal with. I couldn't afford to give up my full-time job while I studied, and this really limited my options. I wasn't accepted on the course that I wanted because I left school at a young age and I didn't have the right qualifications. Eventually, I enrolled with an expensive private college, and the course was a lot of work and I did learn a lot. But also, a lot of what we learned was theoretical. It didn't fully prepare me to work as a professional designer. So I learned the hard way, with personal experience and costly mistakes. I've always been passionate about learning and personal development, and I decided that one day in the future I would offer courses that would give people the practical skills and knowledge that they really need to be successful in the industry, and there would be no barriers to entry. If this is what you want and you're willing to do the work, then we should be able to teach you. After all, isn't that what teaching is all about? That is what drove me to establish the Design Academy, and is what continues to drive me and the fantastic team that now work with me. Students on our courses range from 18 years old to 80 years young, and they regularly tell us things like, "I just wish I'd started sooner," or "I wish I knew this type of opportunity was available years ago." It might sound OTT, but many of our students also tell us that enrolling on a course with us has been life-changing on so many levels. In fact, we hear that all the time. And the truth is, that's exactly why we keep doing what we do. And if you're worried about whether or not you'll be able to complete a course at this level, as long as you can read and write English to a reasonably good standard and you can follow clear instructions, we'll help you to achieve your best potential. In fact, we offer a unique double money-back guarantee. Firstly, you have 14 days to look over the course and decide if it's right for you. If you don't think it is, simply cancel the course within 14 days and receive a full refund, period. Secondly, if you don't learn everything described in our prospectus when you complete one of our professional interior design courses, then you're entitled to a full refund plus you keep the award. We are the only organisation to offer a guarantee like this, and it's because we're good at what we do. By the time you have successfully completed one of our professional courses, you'll achieve everything described in the prospectus and more. You really have nothing to lose and so much to gain. So get access to our online prospectus now and take the first steps to design your future. It could be one of the best decisions you'll ever make.